You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Xiaomi is bringing a 108MP camera to its Redmi series of smartphones. The Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G will be the first Redmi device to possess a camera with over 100MP, which will also have a Snapdragon 750G SoC and a 120Hz display, among other impressive components. The Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G will arrive on November 26, alongside at least the Redmi Note 9 5G. Xiaomi has begun teasing its new set of Redmi Note 9 devices on Weibo. So far, the company has confirmed that it will be launching them on November 26 at 2000 hours China Standard Time, UTC plus 8 o'clock, while Lu Weibing has hinted that one will feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 750G chipset. The device in question is expected to be the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, which Xiaomi has essentially confirmed will have a 108MP camera. This device will launch for CNY 3000, US $457, too. Additionally, it will have a 120Hz LCD screen, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a 4820 mAh battery, capable of 33 watts fast charging. Xiaomi is expected to announce the Redmi Note 9 4G and Redmi Note 9 5G at Thursday's event, too. According to several Geekbench listings, Xiaomi has paired the 5G model with a Dimensity 800U chipset, along with 8GB of RAM. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.